Okay, I started the project by drawing out the AutoCAD dictionary design of this project. So from the AutoCAD design, you can see individual flats having their breakers. You are seeing the outside view of this project on the AutoCAD design, and also the outside view of this project on the AutoCAD design. And that is how it's also going to be when we are done with this particular project. So you're seeing all the layers. So whenever you're carrying out a project like this, I always advise you always um, draw out your pictorial design of how your project is going to look like before carrying out your project. So by so doing, it will give you an inside view of how the project is going to look like. So please, in my next video, I'm going to drop the full design of this particular project, the AutoCAD design of this project. I'm going to drop it on my next video. So for those that will subscribe to my channel, definitely whenever I drop the video, you'll see it. So please, I advise you to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and always place your comment whenever I don't understand, and I'll be there to. So here is the materials meant for this design of this project. These are the breakers. Those breakers are all 160 amps MCCB breakers. So you can see the MCCB breakers, and the enclosure box is 900 by 600 by 900. Understand that the length of the panel is 900 millimeter and the width is 600 millimeter. So you can see the unboxing of the panel, how the panel look like. So that's the panel. See the inside view of the panel. So we are going to design this panel. We are going to drill every aspect of this panel to fit in our breakers and our things. So you can see the arrangement of how this panel is going to look like. So first of all, I arrange all the breakers inside the panel so I can mark out all my points where I want the breaker stands to be, the CB breaker stands to be. So I use my pencil and my tip to measure out all the points and mark them out. Then you can see the measurement, and that is the angle iron used in carrying the breakers. So after measuring these angle irons, I will cut it, then brace the side of the enclosure panel and also the stands too. So this how the inside look like. You can see the side of the enclosure panel. You can see the angle iron which I cross. See it. Then you can see the stands of the MCB breakers as well. So whenever you're designing a panel, make sure your measurement matters a lot. Make sure the both side of the angle irons you're placing on the panels are equal, so that, and also take the full length of your MCB breaker before mounting the MCB stands. Before putting the MCB stand, make sure you take proper measurement of the MCB length. So you can see I'm coupling the MCB stand, and I'm as well gauging it to know if the thing is okay or it still need adjustment. So that is it. So you can see I'm cutting all the points where the MCB breakers will come out. The breaker switches will come out, because I don't want a situation whereby this panel will be mounted and when a technician come to do amendment of the building or any electrical job and start opening the panel to switch off any apartment. No, I don't want this situation. I don't want anybody to tamper with the panel. That is why you see all the breaker switches I bring them out from the panel, so you can see them. I've finished all the cutting. After cutting the breaker point of this panel, that is the breaker switch at point of this panel, you're seeing how the front view of the panel now look like. You're seeing how the front view look like. All the breakers have been arranged and well measured properly. You're seeing the sizes of the spacing of each of the breaker is measured accurately and all the same length. Understand? So whenever you're designing a panel like this, your measurement is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Make the proper measurement before drilling anything in order not to spoil the panel. Then those hole and drilling and those light and putting are the indicator headlight of this panel. You know when there is power on this panel and when there is no power on this panel. Yeah. Remind you, this panel is a 3-phase panel. Understand? It's a 3-phase panel. That is red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. That is why you're seeing the indicator light I'm putting are also red, yellow, and blue, indicating the red phase, the yellow phase, and the blue phase. Understand? So make sure everything is being placed properly. Everything you're putting, your measurements really, really matters a lot. So I'm done with this project. You're seeing how the inside of the project look like. You see how the arrangement of these breakers are. They are all well arranged, and if you watch well, I lift the breakers up very well so that inside the breakers, inside the panel, inside the panel, wires can pass at the back of the breakers to connect to individual breakers. Understand? So also consider all those space whenever you're designing a project like this. Also consider those space whereby wires can flow at the back of the breakers freely without tightening themselves. Understand? So there's enough space at the back of the breakers so wire can flow well. So you can see it. So if you like this video, please, and you want to see more of this kind of video, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up as well. So whenever I place my next video, you're going to see it. Understand? So thank you for watching.